Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
we are together to cup.
a workout challenge.
So Shivani isn't a fan of cardio. So I think that high intensity interval training might be little bit challenging for her.
And Lekith hasn't been into pilots, so it is definitely something new for him.
So let's see how the entire thing worked for us.
And what changes we experienced at the end of it all.
So we did it like alternate days.
That means one day of high intensity interval training by self, and the next day pilots by Blogilates. So, talking about the changes experienced, I could definitely notice my metabolic rate going up. So, now again, this differs from body to body. So, that was a major change. Also, the workout was really engaging. That means throughout my 2 weeks, I could see my muscles getting engaged, and even after the workout, for the rest of the week or the day, I definitely felt very, very active. So that is very important when you choose a workout, because that's what it's all about. So yeah, 2 weeks is really a less span of time to judge something, but I can definitely say that it did wonders and it is working on my body.
So why it is good? Okay, means it involves all the muscle. Let all your muscles train up like in a regular interval of time. You get hardly 1 minute of break, and I think that's enough to drink water or to get refreshed. I think that's enough, and it involves every muscle, like all the type of cardio is being done in that exercise. And it's like only 30 minutes of it will burn maximum of your calorie. Like you can eat pizzas or anything you like by doing HIIT, that is high intensity interval training. And so that's it brings maximum of your calories in less amount of time, and just you need to be consistent towards it.
Talking about the challenges, I'm really not a fan of cardio workout, okay? And at least since past few months in the sense I mean more than 5 to 6 months, I haven't engaged myself much into cardio. So it gets, really, I know, I have to push myself to work out. So actually we decided we want to do it, so I was very firm about it. But then I get lazy, to start. But then once I start, there is never going back to it. So yeah, that was the only challenge, to push myself into doing it, that to a high intensity workout for 30 minutes. So that was one challenge, and I think that was it. Yeah, it makes you a little tired. I think it depends again, because we definitely have a very busy schedule. Even though we have online lectures, it's much more hectic. So the challenge was also about managing time and saving up the energy, or getting into the day active. So that was the challenge.
Talking about challenges, I don't think there is any challenge, but it just that you sweat a lot, and you need to be consistent. That is, you only get 1 minute of break, so there is not much time to get rest. But I think it's necessary to do that. So there is no such challenges, major challenges.
So guys, that was it. 2 weeks of crunching.
It was definitely amazing, and we are looking forward to share more with you guys.
But guys, do remember that results may vary. We have different bodies, and our body may react or, engage with different kind of workout. So it's upon you of how you do take it ahead. So just don't get worried with the results, okay? It depends on person to person, and it's very important for us to note that.
Like I said before, consistency is the key. Much love.
Thank you. Also, stay tuned because we have a lot of exciting things coming ahead for you guys. So, yes, also do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Stay safe.